Hello and welcome once again to my math session. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to look at exponents involving factorization. So without uh, any further ado, let's have a look at the example that is on my worksheet. What do I have? I have 9 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x minus 2. All that is divided by 9 to the power of x minus 4. So the first thing that we need to do here is to consider the prime factors. So we need to change this 9 to 3 to the power of 2. This is our 9. So all our 9, in that case, it is raised to the power of x, and then we write our plus, and then we have 3 to the power of x minus 2. All that is divided by 9 to the power of x, which we are also going to change to make it 3 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x minus 4. So this now brings us here. This now 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of 2 to the power of x, we need to change it and write it as in 3 to the power of x to the power of 2. So we are going to swap the 2 and the x, they are going to swap. So the x goes inside and the 2 goes outside. Why? Because we want it to be similar with the other 3 that is already there in that form. So that's gonna be 3 to the power of x squared plus 3 to the power of x minus 2 over 3 to the power of x squared minus 4. Okay, as you can see now, because we have a 2, that expression is already a quadratic expression. So I can as well take it in this manner. I can say if I let 3 to the power of x is equal to k, if this item here I let it to be 3 is equal to k, I'll be having something like k squared plus 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 k minus 2 over k squared minus 4. I hope you guys, you following me very well. I decided that this thing, which is 3 to the power of x, I just assumed that it's a k. So in every place where I have 3 to the power of x, I'm writing a k. So this is the 3 to the power squared. So it's k squared plus k minus 2. So this one I also call it a k, it becomes k squared. So I now have a quadratic expression. On this quadratic expression, I can now say, I can factorize the quadratic expression. We did factorization of a quadratic expression to say it now becomes k plus 2 k minus 1 over, when we look at this expression here, it is difference of two squares where I have k minus 1, k plus 2. So in this case there, we can cancel out this k minus 1 cancels out with k minus 1, and here okay, let's continue. We were here where we said, I just realized that I made a small mistake here because we said this one is a difference of two squares. It therefore means we have k minus 2, k plus 2. So this is k minus 2 and k plus 2. Therefore, there is no need for these to cancel each other out because these two items are different. So for the sake of correction, to make a good correction here, where we have k plus 2, k minus 2, k minus 1, k minus 2, k plus 2. Only in this case, that is when we have these items cancelling each other out. So we have k minus 1 over k minus 2. So if we come here and apply the same idea, or rather to replace or substitute with the k, again, we are going to have this expression coming to this stage where we have k plus 2, k minus 1. So this one is k plus 2, 3 to the power of x plus 2, and k minus 1 is 3 to the power of x minus 1 over this expression becomes k minus 2, k plus 2 is 3 to the power of x minus 2, k plus 2, 3 to the power of x plus 2. And then it is in this case that this item and that item are going to cancel each other out, leaving us with 3 to the power of x minus 1 over 3 to the power of x minus 2. That is it for this example. I hope you guys enjoying my videos. Please consider subscribing, following, sharing this and gathering more. You guys, we rely a lot on your support so that this channel is going to grow. See you in the next videos. Cheers, keep well.